All right, I have 2 sirloin steaks here I'm going to use. You could also use flank steak, skirt steak, just whatever you have. You want to cut it against the grain. So we're going to slice it pretty thin for these fajitas, and then we will make a little dry rub for them. So let's get started here. Okay, we're gonna do the seasoning for our steak fajitas. I'm gonna add in a bowl, a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then we're going to add in our spices. I have some paprika, cumin, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and chili powder. I think that's it, yep. So we're just gonna pour that right in with our oil, and we're just going to give it a stir. Okay. And I think I'm actually going to add in just a little bit more oil. There we go. This will help coat our steak along with our vegetables. Okay, so now we're gonna pour in our vegetables, and we're gonna pour in our steak, and we're gonna coat it really well here. Just give it a nice toss. You could also put the spices and oil in a Ziploc bag along with your vegetables and meat, and kind of toss it around that way just to ensure that it gets fully coated. And if you don't want to make your own spice mixture, you can always use the mixtures that come in the packets. We're gonna take some foil and line our air fryer basket. This just helps keep all the marinade and spices in. Keeps everything nice and moist, and it also is good for easy cleanup. Got our foil in. Now we're just going to add the contents of our fajitas, and we want to make sure we got all that good seasoning in there. And you want to kind of try to spread it out as best you can. Okay. So next we're going to put it in our air fryer. We're going to set the timer for 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to start with 5 minutes, and then we're going to check it.